A powerful tornado flattened buildings and knocked down trees in parts of North Carolina on Wednesday. Local news reports said a tornado touched down in Nash County around 12:30 p.m. local time and lasted for about an hour, spanning a distance of 20 miles or 32 kilometers. A Pfizer facility in nearby Rocky Mount sustained significant damage from the tornado, though there were no reports of serious injuries, according to a statement released by the pharmaceutical company. Aerial images showed sections of the roof split into two and parked cars flattened by debris.